There's a lot of people who think, oh, Nick has access to all these amazing people. That's his competitive advantage. I could never find these people. How am I going to find McKinsey grads? That is not the way that I think about business. And frankly, it's not really the way that my business operates either. You build a business that normal people can do really well in. Okay? That's your job as a business owner. Your job as a business owner, I hate the advice. Go find great people. Go find great people. The key is great people. You interview titans of business and they'll sit here on a call and they'll say, what's the key to success? And they'll just be so humble. You know what? I was just blessed with such amazing people around me. All you got to do is go find amazing people and you're going to just succeed. That advice is such bullshit. No. The unicorn who feels about the same way about your business as you do, the person who's going to, care about your business like you do, that person doesn't exist. They are a unicorn. They don't exist. If you're looking for them, they sure as hell aren't going to apply for the job on Indeed and come walking in your office and want to work for you and just like, oh my God, I just can't wait to work for Nick and Peter. No. You have to build a business that normal people can thrive in. And another sad fact about the world is that most people just don't friggin' have it, man. They don't have it. They'll let you down with their decision making. They're not good decision makers. They're not emotionally stable. They've been through traumatic stuff, and they're just not contributing members of a high functioning, high performing business. Your job is to get rid of those people as soon as possible.
Yeah. There's a fantastic quote that I love here on this exact topic. The author is Doug Tatum, and he's got a quote that says, "Sustainable profits must be built on normal people doing normal things for normal compensation."
Yep.
And until you systematize your business to the point where you can just have ordinary folks succeeding and helping your customers succeed, like you said, you can't rely on heroics. You can't rely on superstar amazing. You need those folks at big companies at the management level for sure, but you can't have a whole building filled with A players. It's just not reasonable. You're not going to be able to pay the salaries for that.
Yep. And another huge problem is that a lot of business owners go to the other extreme. They assume that employees love the chaos that they love. They assume their employees want autonomy. They assume their employees want to be their own bosses because they, as entrepreneurs, they love the chaos. They love solving problems. They love uncertainty. 90%, look, newsflash to the business owners, 90% of people, they want you to tell them what to do. They want a clear deliverable with a very simple method so that they can be good at their freaking job and they can go home and watch Netflix. That's what they want. They don't want to be their own boss. They don't want chaos. They don't want decisions. They don't want just madness inside of a business. They want a well-oiled machine where they can do a simple job, they can do it well, and they can feel like they're contributing. That's what most people want. So as a business owner, give people that.